Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Wyze thermostat. So in order to factory reset your Wyze thermostat, you're just going to push on the button here down low, and then you're going to scroll over and you're going to go all the way to settings. So you may need to factory reset your Wyze thermostat if you're having issues with your Wi-Fi. Maybe you're moving out of your home and you want to clear all the personal information off this, or maybe you're just having issues with it and trying to troubleshoot it. What you want to do is reset this to factory defaults, and that's going to clear off the personal information. It's going to allow you to troubleshoot it a little bit better. And if you need to set it up on a new Wi-Fi network, you're going to be able to do that. So let's just go back into settings here, and then we're going to go ahead and we're just going to select reset all by pressing the button in the middle here. And now it says this will restore to factory default. So I can click no here or yes. So I'm going to scroll over to yes, and then I'm just going to click on that. And now our Wyze thermostat is resetting to factory defaults. And this is going to go through the setup process just as if it was new out of the box thermostat, not connected to anything. So we've got another video that shows you how to set up the Wyze thermostat. I'm going to link that below, and you could just go through those instructions to get this set back up on your phone so that your Wyze thermostat is connected to the Wyze app. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Wyze Smart Thermostat. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.